Okay, well, got a little explaining to do. First, this is Koi Man. A couple of my friends have got me down the koi trail, so you'll probably see more koi videos in the future. So he's gonna sit over here and watch us. This is a video on this air pump, the HG 158 from Hygger. I do have to say, I guess this is a paid video. There's an ugly dog. But they sent me this probably 9 months ago. They've asked me a couple times when I'm going to do the video, and it's like, yeah, someday. So I'm off right now, so we're going to check it out. So, this one, let's see if we can, 230 gallons. Goes to 5 foot, 600 gallons. Wow, pretty shaky, old man. Anyway, comes with the hose to attach, manifold. All the hoses came pre-cut. I just cut them to put the check valves in. So, user manual, I need that. Comes with these big air stones, which I'm not going to use that either. I want to hook it to sponge filters. A couple of those on a T. It does have a 6-foot cord. There's the cord. Just trying to get hold of this thing. We can turn it up and down. Of course, that's off all the way on. And we can adjust each line. When I first saw the size of this pump, which, you know, it's pretty good sized, pretty heavy, I thought, man, I can hook that to a PVC manifold. Let's see how many tanks it'll run. But since I didn't buy it, I want to kind of do this right. So I'm going to hook it up exactly the way they want you to hook it up. And we'll see how it does. See how it runs, see if it vibrates, see how noisy it is. And I'm not going to show you all that. But pretty easy. Of course, this hose goes on right here. Those hoses go onto the sponge filters. When I get all that accomplished, we'll see how it works. Well, before I unhook this stuff, I thought I should show you what we're even doing. These are the longfin green dragons. And some cherry barbs in there that are on the sea shrimp patrol. So that manifold has 4 outlets, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I can bend it down now. So it's got pretty good flow, but that's 3 different pumps. These are the baby snow dragons. So, I'm pretty sure it'll outperform these, and I'll have to turn it down, but let's find out. Alright, all the lines are run. I didn't cut any of them, they're just super long like they came. Just gonna see how it works. It is plugged in. Sitting right here, we'll see how much it vibrates. There's the manifold. 6-foot cord. Here's the control. It's off right now. Now it's on. You can hear it sucking air. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not too bad. So now comes the adjusting part. You see that one is pretty good. That one stinks. This one needs to get turned way down. And so does this one. So, I'm going to turn the pump down. And I want to adjust this last one. because it's getting a lot of the flow. Turn in. That's about right. The next one. Yeah, maybe I need to. Or, as good as that one's going, let me stop this and clean that air drop. It's probably full of calcium. Give me just a second. Okay, I cleaned both of them and made a big old giant mess. That's normal for me. My buddy had to come do some inspection. So now, turn these two down because that noise bugs me. It doesn't need to be that high anyway. I need to turn this one back up. So, turn that one down. Turn this one down. Definitely got room to make some adjustments. And I can still turn the pump up and down. So I think I'm gonna open that one up. Now that I stirred all that up too. Get it going some more. This one's still chug-a-lugging pretty good. That one's not bad. It's full blast on the pump. We don't want to do that. I need to shut this one down. This one. It's closest to the pump. I mean, I know the lines are the same, but well, we know that it works. It's got lots of adjustment to it. I'm gonna open this one all the way up. Maybe after these clouds I made in all these tanks, we'll come back and see it. I may do some more adjustments, but pump works pretty good, and I mean, it's not sitting on foam or anything. You can't even hear it. Alright. I'll probably make a part 2 after I let it run for a week or so. I'll make adjustments to get it where I want it. Thanks for watching. Alright. I think this might be the end of this video. I did change those other filters out and put these two in because they match what was in there. So now we have 4 identical filters, and they all have this adapter that Mitchell Broom came up with. A level. They work really good. As you can see, amongst all the glare and the moam and the dirty glass, they're all working pretty good. So this is exactly how this pump comes. It's supposed to comes with a manifold for 4. I only have it running 4, but let me show you this. You can tell I'm only running it halfway, and these lines are still like 5 foot long, and I could shorten them way up and get even more air out of it, but I'm just gonna leave it. Let's see how it does long term. Still makes 0 noise, and it's only running halfway. So Not too bad. We'll see. There's one of the babies. Alright, I'll quit messing around here and figure out how to put all these clips together. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.